Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Upasana's maths class. So in today's video we will solve this question. We need to find the value of this expression. Here we just need to apply one simple formula, and that formula is that a raised to power m raised to power n is equal to a raised to power mn, right? How? Now I will simplify this first step. Suppose I have here 2 raised to power this, right? And then 9, we have 9 here, and 9 can be written as 3 square. So it is 3 raised to 2 power 1001 by this 4 is written as 2 square raised to power 1001, right? And then we have 3 raised to power 2003 plus here we have 2 raised to power 2002. This is 3 square raised to power 1001 by 2 raised to power 2 raised to power 1001 times 3 raised to power 2003, right? So here we have 2 raised to power 2003, and it will become a raised to power m raised to power n is a raised to power mn. So this will become 3 raised to power 2002, right? By this will become 2 raised to power 2002, 3 raised to power 2003 plus here we have 2 raised to power 2002, 3 raised to power 2002 by 2 raised to power 2002, 3 raised to power 2003. Now we have here, we will just solve these things. We know a raised to power m by a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m minus n, right? So if we see here, this is 2 raised to power 2003 by base is same, base is 2. So it will become 2 raised to power 2003 minus 2002, right? Here in 3 base is same. So we will, in the denominator we have higher power. So what will I do? Here 2003 minus 2002, right? This upper power will come in subtraction here plus. Here these both are same, so they will cancel out, and here 1 by, why? Because base is same again here, and this power will go in subtraction. It will become 3 raised to power 2003 minus 2002. So here we get 2 because 2 raised to power 1 is 2, and then 3 raised to power 1 is 3 plus 1, 3 raised to power 1 is 3. Then base is same, you just add, you will get 3 by 3, that is 1. So our answer is 1.